This is foam rolling for the quadriceps, and more specifically, the rectus femoris, which is the longest muscle in the body, goes from your top of your hip all the way across your knee. And the purpose of foam rolling would be to get rid of adhesions or trigger points in the muscle, makes them more flexible, makes them be able to bounce back better from things that happen to them. So what you'll do is you'll get a foam roller, and this is a white one. It's rather soft, but you can have any foam roller that you have. You're going to start on your hands and knees. You're going to push back the foam roller till it touches your knees, then slowly walk forward until you're on your elbows, and you're going to lift your feet up off the ground if you want to. That's going to create a little bit more tension, but go ahead and squeeze your glutes. You kind of and suck in your stomach to protect your back, because you don't want it to arch. You don't want your butt to sag. You want to keep that up. Make sure that you don't hurt your low back. Now you'll find a trigger point or a place that hurts on a scale of 5 to 8. It hurts on a 5 to 8 on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being excruciating, 1 being I just feel pressure. So find a spot between 5 and 8, and you're just going to hold until the pressure goes below level 5. As soon as it does, you can shift up or down to find a new spot, and you want to hold that until that pressure goes down as well. And you want to hold this for about 2 minutes.